Every business collects data, but after someone clicks submit, teams still manually move data between tools, update CRMs, and manage workflows by hand. That process breaks fast. Formsig helps businesses automatically send submissions into their existing systems using webhooks and workflows. Here's a real example. A customer submits this property inquiry page built with Formsig. The moment the form is submitted, Formsig sends the data through a webhook. Zoho Flow receives it instantly, and Zoho CRM automatically creates a structured lead with all the customer details already organized. No manual entry, no backend setup, no complicated integrations. Connecting Formsig with Zoho Flow is simple. Copy your Zoho Flow webhook URL, open your Formsig form settings, paste the webhook into the webhook section, save it, and your systems are connected. From there, you can map the fields you want to use inside Zoho CRM. At the same time, using Formsig's built-in email system, your team can receive instant notifications while customers automatically receive confirmation emails letting them know their inquiry was received. Formsig can connect with Zoho CRM, HubSpot, Salesforce, Slack, Google Sheets, Zapier, Make, internal APIs, and AI workflows. Collect data once. Route it everywhere automatically.